Hey JAG Nation, my name's Brad Lingenfelder and I'm going to be the host of an exciting program called JAG CARES. Join me every Tuesday in January as I have a different individual right here from our own JAG National Network who's going to come and talk about a different area of trauma. Self-care, why that's important. Resilience and building that in your students. Having a culture in your classroom that creates empathy from student to student and even specialist to student, and ultimately getting a job and keeping it. Clear your calendars on the 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th at 3 p.m. Central Time as these 4 gifted speakers come, sit down with me, and we talk trauma. Learn from Meredith Bean, a licensed master social worker, as she talks about self-care. Our next 3 speakers have all spoken nationally, like Josh Varner from Eldon, Missouri, a resilience guru. Jordan Champlin from Concordia, Kansas will talk to us about the importance of your culture in your classroom and how to create empathy from student to student. And we'll end with Christy Prey from Augusta, Kansas, as she talks about get it and keep it, how to build resilience for employment. Creating authentic, resilient, educated specialists is the goal of JAG CARES. And I am excited to bring in 4 passionate individuals who are willing and wanting to help you. Not only that, we want you to participate with your own questions. We want to know what you need to know so that we can help you with that too. And we want you to walk away from this knowing JAG CARES.